Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I didn't think our first IBC tote would fill up this quickly, but California is having a record rain year and this thing is completely full. So we are going to set up the second IBC tote over there. I already started working on the cinder blocks, going to make sure they are nice and level. I should also clear out some of the overgrown grass. Let's get to work. I cleared out some of the weeds and overgrown grass. The cinder block looks pretty good. Definitely not perfect, but that is what we are going with. Going to get ready and bring the IBC tote back. Second IBC tote, it is in place and feels pretty sturdy. The downspout, I think I will keep the same as the first one and just have it go directly down and into the tote. Let's get those installed. The downspout is in place. I had to mess with the rain gutters a little bit, but wasn't too complicated to make sure it's draining into the IBC tote. Next step is to work on the cap. I wanted to do something different, but we'll end up just doing the same thing as our first one and cutting a hole and using the Mosquito netting because it seems to be doing pretty well. Let's head into the garage. We got our mosquito netting on the cap with a little bit of silicone. While we wait for that to dry, the side of the house is still flooded. I'll try to snake it again and see how it goes. But our totes are up. We have the first one and the second one over there. Video number 134 done.